Ever had your car throw a check engine light and your wallet started crying? Or your radio stopped working after a battery change? Before you rush to a mechanic or Google expensive fixes, hold on. Because in this video, I'll show you 5 completely free ways to reset your car like a pro. These are real mechanic methods that actually work. And the last one could save you over $500 in repairs. Let's get started. Method 1. Battery disconnection. The simplest and most common way to reset your car's electronics is by disconnecting the battery. Turn off the ignition completely, then remove the negative terminal first, followed by the positive. Now wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the car's systems to fully discharge and reset the ECU memory. Once done, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. This trick often clears random error codes, resets the check engine light if the issue's been fixed, and can even improve throttle response. But remember, it might also reset your clock, erase radio stations, and disable your anti-theft system temporarily. So check your owner's manual before doing this. Method 2. Throttle body relearn. If your engine idles rough or feels jerky after cleaning the throttle body, this one's for you. Your ECU forgets how to control the air intake, so it needs to relearn. Here's what to do. Turn the key to the on position but don't start the car. Wait about 10 seconds. Then slowly press the gas pedal down to the floor and hold it for 4 seconds. Release it just as slowly. Repeat this process twice. Now start the car and let it idle for 3 to 4 minutes. If the RPM stabilizes and the car feels smoother, congratulations, you've just reset your throttle response. Method 3. OBD2 scanner reset. An OBD2 scanner gives you direct access to your car's brain. Instead of guessing what's wrong, it shows you the actual problem. Plug it into the OBD port under your dashboard, turn the ignition to on, and scan for trouble codes. You'll see a list of stored errors. Note them down, then clear them by selecting Erase Codes or Clear DTCs. After that, start your engine. If the light stays off and the car runs fine, your reset worked perfectly. This is the most precise method and works for almost every modern vehicle. Go to your infotainment or settings menu and look for options like Restore Factory Settings or System Reboot. This can fix software-related glitches like Bluetooth not connecting, a frozen touchscreen, or laggy sensors. It's quick, easy, and totally safe. But keep in mind it won't fix mechanical or sensor-related problems. Method 5. Fuse box reset. Sometimes, you don't need to reset the whole car, just one specific system. That's where the fuse box trick comes in. Find your fuse box, usually under the steering wheel or hood, and check the diagram for the area causing issues, like the radio or AC. Pull out that specific fuse, wait about 10 minutes, and then put it back. This acts like restarting one app on your phone instead of rebooting everything. Just make sure you're using the correct fuse amperage. Replacing it with the wrong one can cause electrical damage. And that's it. These 5 free reset tricks can solve most minor electrical or system issues and save you a ton in unnecessary repair costs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more car hacks, and share it with someone who always panics when that check engine light turns on. Until next time, drive safe and reset your car like a boss.